What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am teaching you guys the 10 items any girl can wear to look more stylish. Let's go. So my number one item that any girl can rock in their closet is a leather jacket, and this one is double badass because it's got the motorcycle vibes and it's got the fur. Jacket with the fur. If you guys are tight on a budget but you want a leather jacket, go to the thrift store. I got this one. It is genuine leather. It is amazing. I've had it for a couple years now at the thrift store. So check it out. You might have some good finds in there. So a leather jacket would not be complete without a badass pair of sunglasses. This is the look. This is the look. Thank you. Thank you. If you look at any badass, super attractive celebrity movie star, and if they are wearing sunglasses, they are most likely wearing ones with the fade. Instantly stylish. The third item that'll take your style game to the next level is a long cardigan. Check it out. Long cardigans are just an amazing staple. They're going to thin you out. They're going to elongate your body, make you look taller, slimmer, sleeker, chicer, whatever. More stylish. Yeah, you guys are gonna love long cardigans. Okay, so my favorite shoe that is gonna take your style to the next level are sock booties. These are ones that are tight around your ankle. They're nice and snug. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna slim your ankles and it's going to make your legs look longer. All right, check it out, you guys. So I've got the long cardi going on, so instantly I look slimmer and chicer, and then I've got these sock booties on that make my ankles look slimmer and also elongate my legs a little bit. So in order to be more stylish, this one is a must have, and that is a statement purse. For guys, it's a watch. For girls, it's a purse. This just explains your whole vibe, who you are as an individual, and I highly recommend that you guys really have fun and start looking for your statement purse. This is Louie. We go on a lot of dates together. We have a lot of fun together. These are my two statement bags, and of course I have a couple of others that I'm just not featuring. So don't leave the house without your nice purse. It's the middle of the week, we haven't washed our hair, and we're having a bad hair day. What do? Throw on a Baker Boy hat. Boom, baby. Baker Boy hats are awesome because they just instantly give you Chanel French vibes.
Bonjour, mi croissant.
Baker Boy hats are like the chic baseball hat, essentially. All right, the next item is actually an accessory, and that is what I'm wearing right now, which is hoop earrings. Hoop earrings are gonna make you look instantly more stylish. They make you look more attractive, first of all, and I think guys love them too. So what's that gonna do? Make you look more stylish too, honey. You can play around with the different chunkies, you know what I mean? Like if you want a thicker one or a thinner one like what I have here, you can wear smaller ones or even bigger ones. So hoop earrings are a must and a staple for your stylish wardrobe. All right, the next item you may think is only for the business world, but I promise you it is not, and that is a stylish blazer. Blazers are just the perfect piece to literally wear to any occasion. You can dress them up, dress them down, go to work, go out in them, and if you guys want to see how I styled it, I did make a video which I will link down below. Business Professional is so in right now, and you guys can find these anywhere. Go to Goodwill, go to Banana Republic. You guys are gonna find a nice, chic, cool blazer anywhere. So the ninth item that's gonna make you guys look more stylish are turtlenecks. There's something about just covering up the neck that gives off that innocent vibe. It's less obviously sexy like when you show off your neck. I think it's just means more sexiness. I don't know, I had a photo shoot once and I had my hair off to one side and my neck was out, and it's just like, can you just put your hair back a little bit? You just look like a vixen with your neck out. I was like, okay. Sorry about my neck. I like this one because it's not so tight on my neck, so I can just like bunch it out a little bit more and look like that. Turtlenecks are an awesome staple to add into your wardrobe. So my final item to make you guys look more stylish are furry vests. As is, a turtleneck would have been just fine. You would have looked very chic. I would have added like a long necklace with this, but if you don't want to do that and you want to just like look chic and stylish as add on a furry vest. This just gives you some texture, gives you some oomph. It's just more fun. I like mixing prints, textures, and styles, colors into my wardrobe, and this is an awesome way and easy way to just look more stylish. Bless you. So at the end of the day, the number one thing that's gonna make you look more stylish is you. Go out there, express yourself with your style, try new things, try out some of the items that I shared with you guys today, and have fun with it. Play around with it, express yourself, and shine your light. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching.
I've been obsessed with peanut butter toast lately.
I had Mexican last night. That's probably why I'm burping so much. And we're doing jumping jacks. Didn't do my numbers correctly. So girly.